Hi and welcome to Peplink Unboxed with the new B1 series routers. My name is Joey, Senior Technical Engineer at Frontier BV, and I'm going to show you the new B1 and the B1 5G today. This is the B1 router, a replacement for the Surf SOHO. B means business and B means branches. The B1 is an entry-level router that is secure, reliable and easy to use. The performance of the B1 is outstanding. This is the B1, an entry-level Peplink router equipped with dual 1 gig WAN ports, Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi WAN support, and a USB-C WAN port. The exterior has a low-profile form factor like the Balance 20X with similar mounting options to the Balance 20X. It has an impressive routing throughput of 1 gig per second. So talking about throughput, the B1 has 400 megs of an unencrypted throughput. This is great for you if you like to use SpeedFusion VPN with a Starlink and an HD1 dome. The encrypted support for SpeedFusion is 200 megs of throughput. With PrimeCare, the B1 has up to 5 VPN pairs supported. Use the B1 in a small business and add up to 30 access points controlled by the B1. Along with the router, you'll find in the box a 12-volt 3A power supply cable, and the power port has GPIO support for ignition sensing. The B1 5G. The B1 5G comes as the base B1 with the same specifications. The integrated 5G modem gives you an integrated backup for your fixed WAN. The 5G module has 2 SIM card slots for your standard A and B physical SIM card. Or bring your own eSIM is supported with the B1 5G, making your small or home office protected against network outages. Let's see how we can improve our marketing office with an upgrade to the new B1 5G.